Hi everyone! This video is devoted to SDC Verifier functionality, which is all-in-one solution for structural design, FEA analysis, and verification according to standards. Main focus is on view functionality, which, briefly speaking, is a set of options that defines how plots are displayed. Before pressing this button to add new view, a user can rotate the model to obtain its advisable position. Now press View. Immediately you are getting a view image. Same scheme goes to editing current view as well. A relevant title can be given, for example, Top View, along with the description. Location section is devoted to a center, rotation angle, and magnification information. Press Get button to obtain current view location from SDC Verifier. The model position will be displayed on the form. Press OK. Show button allows to set and preview the current settings in the model. Auto Scale option zooms the model according to the selected option. The view is rotated and then it is scaled to the plot selection. Let's select to selection and press Show to set and preview current location in the model. When pressing Import all settings, the location and the settings are imported from active view in the model. Press OK. Preview function is used to display location and settings. Now, moving on to the right part of Add View window. By default, the options Filled Edges, Shading, Show Thickness, Cross-Section, and Offset are activated. But for demonstrative purposes, I'm turning them off. And now I'm pressing Preview. Now when filled edges are being on, press Preview and they are back. Shading enables or disables the visibility of shades on the model. Check and press Preview. Show Thickness cross-section displays the plane elements with thickness and the line elements with the shape. Preview. Show Offset controls how elements, edges, and surface edges are displayed. On and Preview. Get into Model Style, press here to choose the option. Font can be selected, along with size, element color, style, Drop as title can be enabled or disabled, and to select. Element with no result also to choose, and legend location to choose also. You can easily manually input legend digits, for example 4. It implies how many digits after the dot have to be used in the exponent number format. By default, Show Deformation is off, but it can easily be set as on anytime. When being on, These options are also enabled for adjustments. Now you can press Get or Show if you need to preview these settings. Finally, Advanced options. Press Advanced. Background can be solid or shaded. When solid is activated, only top color and its palette is available. When shaded, all three colors are activated. An important part of this window is legend. It is possible to set the custom settings of the legend for better results overview. You can choose whether or not to use contour colors for number for legend. Also, it is possible to use limits for legend settings. This button opens the window to change the project legend settings. Some customizations can be carried out in different categories. Also, legend settings can be saved or loaded to the library. Press OK. Use local limits function is a set of static legend for all the plots with the current view. When it's activated, the local customization of mode, number of levels, and format becomes available. Now we are on Other section. Shrink elements reduces the size of the elements. It is possible to show load value when enabled. Reverse vectors display load vector to the node when the option is checked and from the node when unchecked. Vector length uniform or scale by magnitude scale vector length based upon the magnitude. Load len represents constant length of the load vector. Minimum scale sets all load vectors which would fall below the minimum value are scaled to the minimum. This will prevent a visual loss of small loads in a large model. Legend colors allows to activate reverse legend and set specified colors. Regarding specified levels, it is possible to set the custom values for each level if the local limits mode in the legend is set to the user-defined. Set it to user-defined, so it's enabled. After all settings have been done, press OK. And again OK. We can see that the view has been added. If you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, online help on our website may come in handy. So go to Software, Online Help, Help for SDC Verifier. And to check our tutorials, go to Resources, Tutorials, and here we go. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come. Also follow us on social media to receive updates first while keeping up with us. All necessary links are pinned in the comment section below.